In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert any chart on TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, being able to view a chart from a different perspective can offer fresh insights and opportunities to refine your trading strategies. Let's dive right into how you can do this effortlessly. To begin with, open TradingView on your browser and select the chart you wish to invert. Once you have your chart up, look to the top of the screen, where you'll see a range of options and settings. Among these options is the all-important search bar. In the search bar, type in the ticker symbol for the security you are analyzing to ensure you have the correct chart displayed. After selecting the security, you'll notice a toolbar at the top that includes the symbol settings, alerts, and a host of drawing tools. Here is where you can truly start customizing your view. Look for the Indicator Strategies icon, which is usually represented by a little flask icon somewhere along that toolbar. Clicking this opens a comprehensive library of pre-built indicators and strategies. But for our task, we'll need a specific custom script. In the search field within this pop-up, type Invert Chart to find a suitable script or indicator. TradingView allows you to integrate community scripts, where developers have already created solutions for tasks like inverting charts. You might see multiple options, so select one with good ratings and positive feedback. Once you've selected your script, click on it to apply it directly to your chart. Immediately, you'll notice the chart inverts, flipping upside down. If this suddenly doesn't seem to reflect correctly, don't worry. Double-check if the axis or scale was altered in some way during the inversion process. With this view, you're essentially flipping your perspective, which can help identify patterns that might be less noticeable in the usual orientation. This is especially useful if you're looking at broad trends or particularly volatile securities. You might even spot support and resistance levels that are not immediately obvious otherwise. Now that your chart is inverted, you can conduct your typical analyses, like drawing trend lines or adding other indicators that can work with this new perspective. It might take a few moments to get used to examining data in this upside-down format, but this method can significantly enhance your analytical skills. Remember, while inverting charts is a neat trick that can offer new insights, it's important to use it as part of a broader strategy. Combine it with your established tools and methodologies for the best results. And that's it. You've successfully inverted a chart on TradingView. Be sure to experiment and see how this can fit into your overall trading strategy, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!